Did you know a man predicted World War II to the exact people who could have stopped it, and they just sat there and listened? In 1936, Emperor Haile Selassie traveled to Geneva to speak before the League of Nations. Italy had just invaded his country, Ethiopia, using poison gas on villages and bombing Red Cross tents. The League of Nations existed for one reason: to stop exactly this. When Selassie stood up to speak, Italian journalists in the gallery booed and hissed loud enough to be heard across the room. He waited for silence. Then he began. He told them plainly, if a small nation could be swallowed whole while the world watched, every small nation was next. He said the leaders in that room were deciding the fate of their own people, not just his. They did nothing. 3 years later, Germany invaded Poland and the Second World War began. The men who could have acted let him finish his speech, applauded politely, and went home. He was right about everything.